Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss or review a product Unity 3D software. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in technology and gaming software. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. And also you can follow me on the Facebook page and Instagram as well. Friend, basically Unity 3D software is a software which we use for making the games. As we know nowadays, games are very popular and the game developers have lots of job opportunities. They can work in a firm, they can work online like Fiverr and Upwork and the freelancer.com. So many websites are available through which you can work online as well. So basically, friend, I would highly recommend to use the website Unity 3D software, and the software available on this website. Okay, and you can download the software Unity 3D from this website. Okay, the free version is available, and which has obviously limited access, but you can start learning. When you start learning, so you have to install the Visual Studio.net as well, and along with that you can start your basic game programming. So you can just see that how easy and how quality work you can produce by using the Unity 3D software. And there are many options are available like Unity Plus, Unity Pro, Unity Enterprise. Obviously you can start from the free version. Secondly, worldwide Unity 3D software is very popular, and if you are a beginner, you want to start your career for gaming career from the scratch, so I would highly recommend to use the Unity 3D software. Secondly, friend, basically see, as we all knows that nowadays the jobs having some lots of problems and to get a job. So why not, if you build your career from in the field of gaming zone, because we know that this field will grow in future as well, and try to build your expertise in this software Unity 3D and .NET software as well, so it will boost your career. Okay, or you can say if you're already working somewhere in any organization, so you can start learning from this software making the games, and it will create another opportunity of earning from this software as well. So friend, it was just a little try, just want to try to convince you, try to approach you that to use the software Unity 3D for gaming, and just to boost your career, just to try to earn online from this software as well, because if you have a skills, definitely you can earn online as well. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.